In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures directly on TradingView, a popular platform for traders and investors. By the end of this brief tutorial, you'll have all the guidance you need to get started with trading futures seamlessly. So, let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to tradingview.com. Tips as www.tradingview.com. TradingView is a robust charting platform that not only provides real-time data and advanced charting capabilities, but also allows you to execute trades directly through connected brokers. Make sure you have your account set up or log in if you already have one. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, navigate over to the chart section. Here, you'll see various tools and options to tailor your trading experience, but our focus for today is on connecting a broker. Look towards the bottom right-hand side of your panel, where you'll notice an option labeled All Brokers. Click on it. This is where you can explore and decide which broker you'd like to connect with. TradingView supports multiple brokers, allowing for flexibility based on your trading preferences or existing accounts you might want to utilize. For this tutorial, we're going to use Binance as our broker example. Binance is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of trading options, including futures, making it a great choice for many traders. Find and select Binance from the list. Next, you'll have to click on Connect to initiate the connection between Binance and TradingView. This is a crucial step because it allows you to execute trades directly from the TradingView platform through your chosen broker. After you click Connect, you may need to provide some additional information or permissions to complete this process, such as logging into your Binance account or authorizing TradingView to access trading information. Once your broker is successfully connected, note that a green light circle should appear. This is an indication that the connection is legitimate and active. If you don't see this green light, double-check the integration steps or verify your login credentials to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now, with a connected broker, you're ready to start trading. Right-click on the chart area and select Add Order. This is where you can set up a new trade by choosing whether you want to buy or sell. The order form will give you options to customize your trade, such as setting the amount and price conditions. Take a moment to enter your desired trade details. When you're satisfied with the setup of your order, decide on your position, buying if you anticipate the market going up, or selling if you expect it to go down. Click on either buy or sell to execute the trade. It's as straightforward as that. You can monitor